Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. We'll keep it brief in this video. From the low here at $180, we moved up to 336. Nearly, what was that? Nearly 100% profit or increase, not quite. And from here we then came down in a wave A, in my opinion, moving up in a wave B, and then we came down, or we are coming down at the moment in this wave C of wave 2. So basically impulse to the upside, and no, it's not an impulse, it's a leading diagonal, and then a wave 2 here to the downside, which consists at the moment of an ABC pattern. This could become or morph into a WXY pattern that is quite relevant. I'm going to tell you why. Because if it becomes a WXY, then in the Y wave, we only get an ABC, which means we will expect only one more leg down. Whereas in the current ABC pattern, we would expect a 5-wave impulse to the downside, of which we are currently working on a 1 and a 2. The 3 would be next. There'll be a 4 and a 5. So that's quite relevant, yeah. So I'm going to tell you the targets for both areas at the moment. What in my opinion is unfolding here is still a wave 2. My bearish view would be extremely challenged if we get above $300. Then, I mean, this is not bearish generally. That is generally, if you zoom out, not a bearish view that I have. I expect lower lows, yes, but I expect a reversal in this area in a wave 3 that should take us way above the wave 1 high, so way above $336. We might talk about $400, $450 for a wave 3, depending on how low we really go. This would, however, be invalidated or at least become very, very unlikely below $205. So 205 is for me the key support level here, basically invalidation point. If I went by the rules, we could go all the way down, obviously 284, 185, but what I can tell you is that below $205, it will become very unlikely that we are going to see a bullish breakout to the upside. So as you can see, as per this count, my view is that we are still going to come lower. For me, it would be an ideal time now to turn around down. Why? Because in this wave 3 that would be next, well, in this wave 2 at the moment, I mean, that will move into the wave 3, we've now touched the 50% FIB the 50-day moving average. And if you look at the FIB retracements, you just do that, then we have just now come into the region between the 61.8% FIB level and the 78.6. So we're basically there where we have an ideal area to turn around. These are the ideal levels for a wave 2. So, oops, didn't want to do that. So if I take that out, we need to be ready for a drop, in my opinion. However, if we go above $300, then the bearish case here, the short-term bearish case, will be challenged. At the moment, target for that wave 3 would be based on FIB extensions, and I'm looking at the area here, sort of around, yeah, I mean, normally would say the 1.618 extension, then there will be a wave 4 up and a wave 5 down. So, but this should not go below $205. However, if we talk about the pattern, the WXY pattern, then we need only one more leg down, and target for that, if we take again the FIB extensions, say, okay, wave W, wave X, then I'd be looking at $220. The 1-to-1 ratio between wave W and wave Y, yeah. Basically that wave W has the same length as wave Y. So this is a key level, $220. I'm going to actually highlight that in here. So yeah, this is where we're at. I think if we lose this swing low here at $266, there is a good confirmation that we are heading down and do the reversal to the downside. Extremely interesting for me at the moment. Not attractive to buy yet, not for a trade, not for a swing trade. I'd be looking at the next larger dip. And if the dip doesn't come, then I'll let the next bullish rally play out and wait for the next dip, and we'll buy in there. But yeah, ideally I don't want to buy in above the green area, which starts at $250 all the way down to $205. Okay, and that's my update about BNB. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.